Good morning, how are y'all doing? Y'all, this morning we got a notification from our daycare owner that one of the kids had tested positive for COVID. And so we ran and got some COVID tests from CVS. So that's what we're about to do right now. So let's go take a look and see what's going on. The kids are home. Everyone in the daycare has to get tested, including the owner. It's an at-home daycare, but everyone has to get tested, so that's what we're about to do. So this is the test kits that Art picked up from CVS. And the kids have been a little under the weather as well as Art. I'm the only one that really hasn't been sick. So but we're gonna check it out. Asher is really doing really good though. It's more so Ellis. Yes, he has. He was in the bed complaining, but today he's back. But it's funny that I'm the only one that haven't been.
Nigga, you got it too.
I haven't been. Have I been sneezing or anything?
Yeah. Sickly.
What is that, cilantro?
Yeah, cilantro.
What you got cilantro for?
So I'm making a cilantro salad.
Oh, okay.
Cilantro and cucumber salad.
Oh, okay. Mama, don't go too far. Don't go too far.
Don't go too far.
We're about to do this COVID test.
Yeah, you need to take your test, because I think you the one that got it.
He said, because you need to take your test, because he think you the one that got it.
You the one spreading it around.
He's so silly. Y'all look at this salad Art made. Or what is it? What's all in it?
Cilantro, green onion, and cucumber.
Cilantro, green onions, and cucumbers.
Yeah. I didn't have no tomatoes, so I don't have any tomato in there.
So he's gonna let me try it.
What you got? You got something?
Okay.
For real? Mm-hmm. Are you telling the truth? Mm-hmm. Or you lying?
That's good. I can taste it with the with the tomato.
The refreshing comes from the cilantro.
Mm-hmm.
You take the vinegar. Mm-hmm. A little more oil. $2.
After your first date, which was a date, he texts you and says he's not going to be able to make it, but you can stop by his place.
Hold on, you get the other one, Pookie. Get one. Got it.
You feel free to move on.
You did good. Good job. One down, 4 to go.
Way back. But Larry, a few months ago, you asked me.
Almost done. Go in.
Good job.
Good job, boy.
Good job,
Yeah, this is negative.
You the one I was worried about, Pooh. Pooh, I was worried about you. I was worried about my baby. How can you tell? Oh, right here. It's like a pregnancy test. Mm-hmm. So to have 2 if it's positive. Mm-hmm. That's basically what it is, a COVID pregnancy test. All right, are you excited? High five. All right. All right. You can't have my camera, girl. You think you're positive or negative? I hope it's negative. Totally positive. Y'all, do I look like my mama? Or do Ellis look like my mama? What you think, Ellie Belly? All right, my wife is a doctor. My husband has many trades, if y'all didn't know, but he is a doctor in his spare time. No, seriously. He gives us our medication. Dr. Levy. He a medicine man. He a medicine man.
Holistic. Thank you.
Okay. You see he claiming it? It won't be funny, but wouldn't it be funny if the person giving the test is the one who got it? Arthritis.
It's all good.
It's all good in the hood. Where is that girl? Yeah, this is my 4th COVID test. I'm on the road. Yeah. I took it when I was pregnant with Ellie. Before I had her. I took it again like a week after because I went back to the hospital. I took it in Mexico for us to come back, and now I'm taking it in. I'm a COVID pro. COVID pro. Or its first time was taking it was in Mexico. What it do? Trying to cover or something? Like a line if you negative, 2 lines if you positive. Like a pregnancy test.
You pregnant?
Well, I'm pregnant. You be on the news. You be on the news. You be on the news. We're gonna have to get child support from Billy or somebody. I need to take my test and Ort needs to take his test, and that's it. So far so good. It's looking good. I was really worried more of the kids because they've really been coughing and sneezing. The adults have been pretty good. Ort has been under the weather. And I blame somebody. It's Ellie Belly. She's a culprit. No.
I want to keep my car on the road as long as possible.
How was the hospital when I went after I had Ellie? Like she was just doing too much. She was trying to get to the back of my brain. And I told her, can you have somebody else come and do it? They came and did it like this and left. She was just taking it too serious. I'm trying to get you in me.
The doctor got other things to do.
Yeah, he could be extra with me. Be nice to me. Oh,
I'm gonna be nice. Come on.
Okay.
You ain't like that with the doctor,
because
man.
you a mess.
When that lady was doing it to you at the hospital, did you fight with her?
You a mess. You finna
the lady at the hospital put it way up your nose, damn it touch your brain. Did you fight with her? No.
No, but you finna do extra
right,
with me. You ain't gotta hold me like you have. I have the kids.
Come on. Come on, man. Let me fix you up.
Oh Lord. Okay, I'm ready.
You ought to be used to this.
I know.
You done took COVID test. I don't know how many times. Put your head back.
Here.
Come on. Ella's watching you. You better do good for your daughter. Keep an eye on Ella. Come on, girl.
Okay.
Come on, man. You gonna mess the test up.
Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm ready.
You act like you getting a shot or something.
But is you doing it?
This ain't no shot. Come on.
Okay. I'm just.
Can you not hold my hand? I can hold my hand.
I gotta hold it.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
I don't need no help. Come on. You just your little nose. You got a little baby nose.
Baby, let me hold you.
You can't hold me. I gotta be free. I gotta be free. Come on.
Ellis.
Pooh, come in here. Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Okay, listen, make sure you get where I can.
Ellis, come here. That's you. Come on, you can't touch this thing, girl.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. Here, let me do my arm. You need your arm. I'll do my arm.
Go deep enough. And swerve.
Okay, you do it.
Wow. What? You do it.
No, you do it. You do it.
Lord. That's special. It's not even that bad. Come on. Really?
Buddy, you too close.
Scoot back. Come on.
You too close.
Alright, let me do it. Come on. This is with you.
Scoot back so I can get in the frame.
Oh, okay. You want to be in the frame? Come on.
Okay, I'm good.
You ready? Put a hold in my hand. You want to hold the doctor's hand? Hold me down here.
We got air, dodging bullets, Jamie's home office bosses.
No way.
Family business.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Who'd you tell her?
There's no privacy in this family.
Quit moving, bro. Quit moving, little
Wait,
girl.
I'm just holding it
I don't want nobody holding me. Man, you gonna give us a false positive, man.
2 weeks without pay for telling the chief to stick it.
I really don't need mine tested though.
Come on, man. The whole family gotta get tested. We a team. I can't breathe in your nose.
Okay, I'm ready.
Here, man, do your own thing. I'm finna quit.
No, come on.
I'm finna quit my job.
I'm ready.
I'm gonna walk away.
I think we should make a new rule that we don't keep secrets about family members being in danger.
Come on, girl.
Until the next morning to hear about it.
Quit moving. Lord, help me.
Why you gotta
You
go
want
so
your
bad?
mama to do it?
No. Y'all bad. I'm ready.
Y'all wanna do it? This shit don't make no sense. None at all.
Oh, okay, I'm ready.
Pooh, get out my blinds. Okay, it was funny at first.
Okay, I'm serious.
It's no longer funny.
Okay.
Come on. It's only gonna take a second. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Come on, close your eyes.
You supposed to be showing that?
You're supposed to be showing Ellis how to do it. Ellis ain't gonna wanna do nothing because her mama over here acting like she retarded. Come on, girl.
Okay, let me do it.
Oh, help. Help us, Lord. Okay, yeah. You did both nostrils?
Yeah.
Ooh, Lord, help.
Oh, look at my face, y'all. My eyes water.
Dang.
And my nose done sort of running. Whew.
Yeah, praise your mama.
Y'all, so the levies are all okay, which is good. All of us are negative and can carry on to the regular scheduled program. I'll pick y'all up in a little bit. Let's thank our doctor. Let's get Dr. Levy. Thank you, Mr. Levy. Is it anything you would like to say?
Hey, if anybody looking to buy or sell, please contact me. If anybody looking to buy or sell in the Houston area, I service the north side of Houston, Woodlands, Kingwood, Conroe, Cypress, all 99, 45, 59, 290, all north side, northeast, northwest. I service the north. So that's what it is. 281-795-8527.
Turn around.
The Honest Realty. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Turn around. Boom. Now don't be calling them for nothing extra. I'm crazy. All right, bye.
She crazy.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen.
trick I learned. This is how you can tell if the spaghetti is ready to watch. If it sticks. See, it's stuck. It's stuck, that means it's ready. You never heard that before? You think the stuff that I do is crazy.
Make it grow, you can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. My channel is about my lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and I go out with my husband, I go out with my friends, my sister, just different things like that, traveling, comedy clubs, concerts, different things like that. We have fun over here, so definitely follow, like, share, and subscribe. If you're a returner, thank you for returning, and I appreciate it. Y'all, today we are headed to see Jess Hilarious. Thanks, I'm super bright now. We are headed to see Jess Hilarious. We are rushing, so I'll show you my outfit later as well as yours. But yeah, anything. So yeah, we're headed. I'm gonna pick y'all up as we get in there. I'm gonna try to record a little. At the Improv, they really don't like you to record, so I'll definitely have my phone and try to sneak a little footage in. But yeah, we're gonna jam out. We're gonna listen to some music, and we'll catch y'all later. This line in this shirt, I do not like this shit. You know what? I got an idea, Beverly. You're thinking, smarty pants. Took this shit under my brow.
Took it on the ass.
That too.
Tuck it in your ass. That might help you. You know what?
I'm tucking in my nuts.
Tuck it up under your nuts.
Cause I got big nuts.
Tuck it up under your big nuts. Double tuck it. Double tuck that motherfucker up under them nuts.
You saw that line though, didn't you? You didn't see
I didn't see no lines. See the little line.
I saw it.
I didn't see a lot of line.
I saw that shit. Slow down, cause it seems like they out in the belt.
Hey. You driving? I know you my boss and everything, but if you want to drive, boss, just let me know. But I'm driving everything, boss. I think I got it. All right, Miss Daisy.
I love it.
We're gonna jam out, guys. Just wait a second. While she's tucking that up under her nuts, we're gonna jam out, okay?
I'm up here like, what can I do? With that, I do not like that line. That is not cute. That throw the whole outfit off.
Throws my whole outfit off. That's what I'm talking about. Throws my whole outfit off. Throws my whole outfit off. I just don't know. It happens every time. Are you tucking it?
I tucked it already.
It's tucked. Stop messing with your nuts with that, huh?
They're so massive. They might.
Your nuts are massive. Hope they're not sensitive. Having that wool next to the nuts. It's not a good look.
I hope they're running behind, because I like to see like the other orders too, you know?
Man, I wish they served tea.
Oh, you want some tea today?
Yeah, man, my throat just won't get right. I just can't get right.
See how people be out? No, they don't feel good. But we don't have COVID.
Yeah, we don't have COVID, so we're supposed to be out.
How about
We're supposed to be going to a concert tomorrow, but we didn't go.
I thought it was today.
No, tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Y'all, Keith Sweat is coming tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
He's gonna be in Sugarland at the
Smart Center, Smart Financial.
Yeah, Smart Financial.
We supposed to be on the second row.
Or are they going?
Hell yeah, they going.
They ain't going.
They said they can't be waiting on us.
When do people ever wait on us?
Sure.
Never. When I looked on the website, it said almost sold out, so it's probably sold out by now. So she's having 2 shows, y'all.
She's having 5 shows this weekend.
Oh, 5 shows this weekend, but
2 Friday, 2 Saturday, and 1 Sunday.
Okay, what he said, but I meant 2 today. Y'all, I love going to the Improv, but I just hate, like I was telling Or earlier, when you go there, you purchase your tickets, and then you gotta go.
Their system might have gotten better. They say we all 4 gotta be there to get in.
Oh, really?
Yeah, nigga.
Oh, Lord. Lord. Well, anywho, how they did it in the past, you purchase your ticket, but then when you get there, you gotta go, like, check in at this box instead of just showing your tickets. But me and Or were talking, we were saying they probably, the way their system is set up, it's probably easy for somebody to duplicate or fake a ticket.
But it's a small venue though.
Yeah, it's not a massive venue. But if you're from Houston, you know about the Improv. If you're visiting Houston, you should definitely check to see who's in town, because they always have somebody. I know not Marlon Wayne, what's his older brother? He coming. Damon, he's coming. He's coming, this summer. And then I saw...
You say D-Ray.
D-Ray is coming too. I wanna definitely catch Marlon. We saw a lot of people.
I wanna see DC.
DC?
Yeah.
We haven't saw DC.
I'm talking about
Oh, the guy we watched, he had a special on, I want to say Netflix.
No.
He's gay?
No.
Okay.
I'm talking about the guy from Wild and Out.
I know who you're talking
DC
about.
Curry.
Yeah.
Is it DC Curry? DL. What's his name? Man. Hanging around you, I start feeling old and shit.
No, that's your... Blame your memory on yourself.
What's his name? DC Young Fly. DC Fly. Sounds just like Chris Tucker. I like
the guy to be in the group. The guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's funny. They just came.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But you didn't want to go.
Yeah.
I did ask you.
You did ask me.
Yeah, you was acting like an old person.
I was like, who is that? But I do know him. He's pretty funny. Not pretty funny, really funny. He's like hysterically funny.
Yeah.
Off the dome.
Yeah. You killed that show. I thought that was gonna be really good. Really, really good. And hood. It was gonna be hood too. Hood rich.
Not hood.
Yeah, hood and good. Perfect.
It is your boyfriend.
Oh,
This the real one, baby.
I'm telling you,
Chi-Town stand up.
Oh,
Southside, we gon' set this party off right. Westside, we gon' set this party off right. Man, I promise. She's so self-conscious. She has no idea what she's doing in college. That major that she majored in don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents will look at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore 3 years, ain't picked a career. She like, fuck it, I'll just stay down her and do head. Cause that's enough money to buy her a few pairs of new ears. Cause her baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious with the peer pressure. Couldn't afford a car, so she named her daughter Alexis. She had hair so long that it looked like weave. And she cut it all off, now she look like
She will definitely remember your hair. I think you say everything.
I already messaged her, said I'm gonna throw my drawers on stage.
Oh my God. Well, you were definitely close enough.
I like comedy shows that's funny though. Like when I went to see, was it Mike Epps? He just wasn't funny to me.
He's not funny to me.
He wasn't funny
Anyway.
Go right.
Martin was cool. Who else we seen, right? D-Ray wasn't funny to me, but the people that came on before D-Ray was funny.
Who?
D-Ray wasn't funny to you?
No.
Baby, did we see Cat?
We never get to see him. He canceled on us.
Did we see Cat?
I think we saw Cat. We saw
Cat.
Chris Rock. He was good.
So we ain't see Chris Rock either.
We seen Chris.
The show was real good.
Show was real.
She was funnier than I thought, and she handled herself well because
She
there was
did.
a lot of interruptions.
Yeah.
She kept going, or just went with it.
No, she really played that shit.
Yeah, she's comfortable on stage.
She real comfortable.
Yeah. Because I would think some people will be kind of scared because that's coming from social media to that's totally different.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, she did a good job.
she did.
She handled that. Sure. So how was your night?
Good. I like when I go to a concert and I feel like they did better than I expected. You know what I mean? I like that shit.
Yeah.
I don't like, but I feel like, well, no, you do go to some people's shows and you're like, oh, that was it, you know. But she really put on a good show.
And she went long.
Yeah, and she said, I'm trying to finish. she was like, no, when she was talking about that guy, look this way. I'm trying to finish. I'm trying to get him to focus. But I was thinking we were worried about that. Well, you weren't worried about her talking, but she not like that kind of comedian that's like gonna make you like uncomfortable. Like, you know what I mean? Like if she talk about you, it's more like D.L. Hughley. I used to not like him because how hard he would go on people. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But now I love him because he, you know, the stuff he be talking about. But she not even that kind of person. You know what I mean?
No. She talk about herself more than anything.
Yeah.
You know, when you talk about yourself, you know, that really take power away from people.
She said, this nigga right here, shut up.
Yeah.
He talked to her show, and the main one that didn't want to
sit right here.
They had a good time. And that guy said that too. You enjoyed yourself though.
Yeah.
But I was thinking the same thing. She ain't even looking down here, but I think it's more of a focus out there.
Outside,
focus out here because they too close. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Just got a good set.
She got a good set.
Yeah,
she did a good job. Everybody, it's always good to go and just laugh. You know what I mean? Go and have a good time.
Yeah, it was nice.
But we definitely need to go out with them more. I feel like every time we go out, we have a good time with them.
Yeah.
So we just made it home. We had a really good time. Just hilarious, was hilarious. And I just wanted to come show y'all my outfit real quick. And then I'm going to bed because it's been a long night, but we had a lot of fun. So let me show you this outfit. So I have this maroon bodycon skirt, and it has the fringes, really cute. This is really trendy right now. And then I just paired it with this yellow shirt. I tucked it in and put on that Gucci belt. So that, and paired it with this Gucci belt. So this is what I'm wearing today. Cute, casual, not bad. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go get in the bed and hang out with my boo. And I will pick y'all up tomorrow and maybe we'll recap everything because I know it's been a hectic night. Love y'all and y'all have a good night. All right, y'all, so it's the morning after the comedy show. Just hilarious. I was very impressed, very professional. I guess I don't know why. That's why you never doubt anybody. Not that I doubted her, but just thinking because she's from social media, it might be like a little different than like a Chris Rock or something like that. But she did a really good job, and it was like people talking, doing, it was some interruptions. One guy was drunk, almost fell out. It was some interruptions, a few interruptions, and she handled it like a G, like a pro, and still maintained the show. Yeah, y'all, our seats was like right in front of the stage, like right by the mic. And so it was funny because it's like, man, we're gonna get talked about. Like my husband, he don't give a care. He think it's funny when they do talk about him, which it is. You just laugh it off, but you like, ooh, like when I'm surprised with all the stuff that's been going on with comedians getting tackled and stuff like that, that they would have somebody that, like, literally, like the table's right here, the stage is right here, our table is like right here, like literally I was like 2 feet away from her. She's really pretty to me. She's really pretty to me. She's not like a classic beauty, but she is. But those are the people who aren't like a classic beauty. Those are the prettiest people to me. And she's funny and she commanded the stage. She did that. Very impressed. It was fun going to a comedy show just to laugh and have a good time. Because we were debating about going to see Keith Sweat or not. But we really just trying to rest because everybody's just trying to feel better, and everybody's just trying to feel better. So really just trying to rest. Everybody's feeling better, a lot better, but we're just trying to catch up on this long weekend. And yeah, with the improv, it's so, this time, like it was crazy because nobody was out. Normally it's packed outside when you get there. It wasn't a lot of people outside, but I guess now they open it up and let you just like hang at the bar. So I like that because I hated the process before. So, but the drinks were good. The food was trash. Like, I'm like, maybe they got new cooks or something like that. I don't know. Oh, the couple we went with, it was so funny because nobody wanted to sit at the front, like I told y'all, or he don't care about sitting at the front. And he, I think he had the best time out of all of us because he talked to her during the whole show. He asked her about country wine, like in the middle of her set. She finally just said, "Sir, can you shut up?" When the guy passed out, he was like, the guy with us was like, he on them Percocets. she stopped the shot and said, he said he on them Percocets. He acted like he was the main one that didn't want to sit at the front, but he acted like he was a part of the show. But we had a good time, we laughed. But like as the show went along, I was like, you know, she not even that kind of comedian. You know how like D.L. Hughley, he used to always just, that was like his main thing, to talk about people. And that's why I did not like him. Now I love D.L. Hughley because he really be speaking the truth about stuff regarding black people and things like that. Baby, what was the name of the guy who came on before? Desi. He was really, really funny. We gotta follow him. He was really funny too, and he was real cool too. Yeah. So.
You know what you see.